Welcome back, everyone. Relatively quiet skies here in Fargo right now, but first alert weather days are underway for the rest of today and for tomorrow as well. Take a look at this snapshot. This is out in western North Dakota, southwestern North Dakota near Marmarth. North Dakota Highway 12. You can see some snow, a little bit accumulating in the ditches. Those roads looking a little slick. Meanwhile, in Dickinson along I-94, report just coming in of 2.3 inches of snow out in Dickinson. Here's the big picture. The low is spinning just to the north and east of Wichita, Kansas, so pretty far to the south of us, but we're seeing the effects all the way up in our neck of the woods. Here's a little bit of a closer view. There's that snow out west that added to some accumulation out there. Here in the Red River Valley, we're seeing some light snow, maybe a few flakes, and some rain to the south and east. Some places, as we showed you earlier, have even seen some graupel or some wintry mix. Graupel's kind of like that dip and dot type of precipitation. Not all of this is making it to the ground quite yet, but temperatures hovering very close to freezing here in Fargo. We're right at 32, 34 in Moorhead, 32 Valley City, 28 in Gwinner, closer to 40 some places in Lakes Country. That's why that precipitation is predominantly rain. Here's what you need to know for tonight. We're going to continue to see those areas of light snow through the Central Valley really fill in quickly here through the rest of this evening. So if you have any dinner plans, if you have any date night plans for your Valentine's Day, might be a good idea to get your date home, get your family home between about 6 and 10 p.m. because between that time frame, conditions are going to rapidly worsen and deteriorate. This is paused now at 10 o'clock this evening. So we're going to see blizzard conditions, especially here through the Red River Valley in parts of northwestern Minnesota, where we have snow coming down, combining with some very strong wind gusts over 50 miles an hour. That blizzard warning officially goes into effect at 6 p.m. this evening, and those winds only ramp up and they stay strong through the overnight hours. Some places could see occasional gusts up to even 60 miles per hour. By tomorrow morning, the snow is gone, but the wind is still going to be with us. It's still going to be very strong in the morning hours. In fact, we're already seeing some delays in e-learning days coming in. We have those right now. You can check it out on your Valley News Live Weather app. We have a link, or right on our website, valleynewslive.com. We'll take you a link to that as well. For tomorrow morning, expect that blowing snow to continue as well, so the morning commute likely not going to be a fun one. Even to the north and to the west, where we're not expecting a lot of snow, that wind will make it difficult, mainly for those high-profile vehicles, and we already have icy roads from the past several weeks. Blowing snow continues through the first half of our day, but then good news, the wind tapers off for our afternoon and into the evening, but we turn much colder. Here's a look at that snowfall potential. Again, we're right on the edge here in Fargo between a trace and a couple of inches. We're watching that line very, very closely. The better chance for more accumulation, though, is going to be just to our south and across northwestern Minnesota. So there's another look right there. Blizzard warning does include Fargo, does not include Grand Forks. It includes Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, Sisseton, down into Watertown, South Dakota. Again, that officially goes into effect at 6 o'clock here this evening. Here's what you can expect tomorrow in Fargo. The snow is gone by 6 a.m., but we start cloudy, and look at those winds continuing out of the northwest. Sustained winds in the 30-mile-per-hour range, gusts upwards of 50, but by the afternoon, we start to see clouds decreasing, winds decreasing, and we turn cold from there. Here's a snapshot of 3 p.m. tomorrow, snow-free, still dealing with wind and colder temperatures. All right, there's some good news in your extended planner. We're still chilly on Thursday, mostly sunny skies. The wind does pick back up on Friday, not as strong, but it will be out of the south and help to warm us up heading into the weekend. Bobby, we are looking a little bit unsettled to start early next week. And beyond the 7-day forecast, we've got our eyes on another system, but let's focus on what we have at hand first.
Yeah, let's also focus on the weekend. Let's just skip the first alert weather days and just get right to the 29 and the 30.
Most people
would be
watch
nice,
it,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. Summer, thanks.